coronavirus is spreading anywhere, everywhere. All people confine themselves inside their house because of the virus spreading. If a person keeps shutting themselves inside their house and they get nothing to do, they get bored, they can be stressed. If they're stressed, their immune system can be decreased and might be infected by another illness. So, in order to keep your body healthy and not stressed, you need to consume a healthy food, but you can enjoy it at the same time. Yes, it's a dessert. Right now, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious, and healthy dessert named chocolate banana smoothie.
Banana, chocolate milk, knife, blender. Cut the banana into small pieces. The smaller you cut, it will be easier to blend them. Put all the ingredients into the blender. Put all the ingredients into the blender properly. Blend them together. When you blend it for not long enough, there's a chance that the bananas will entirely blend. After the texture becomes smooth, pour the smoothie into a glass or mug. You can add some toppings on the smoothie if you want. The smoothie is ready to serve.
Banana contains vitamin C, potassium, antioxidant, fiber, and folate. Those can help you to keep your blood pressure, prevent you from asthma, diabetes, and many more. This healthy drink is easy to make and have many benefits for your body. So I hope this can help many people to keep their body healthy. Thank you.